Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I got a new Stampin' Up! Box. Oh my gosh, it's so huge. So we're gonna open it up, see what we've got. I've got so much stuff, you guys. If you know, I was out of town, I was sick, and so it was really bad. I went to California. I thought I had been getting better, but once I got back to California, oh man, I just got worse. And I was actually, sorry, I'm trying to get this open. I was actually in California to take care of my mom, and I just want to thank all of you beauties who sent me messages saying you were praying for my mom. Oh my gosh, you guys, I appreciate it so much. I am always accepting of the prayers, as you know. So let's go ahead and see what I got in here. I ended up getting some ink pad and marker storage. So some more of these guys here. Sorry about all my mess, but some more of these guys. I got one of those. Oh wait, maybe I got two of them. What's this one say? Another one. So I got two ink pad and storage there. I got, as always, you guys, snail adhesive refill. I love my snail adhesive. I got the black, what kind of ribbon? It's an organdy. It's glittered organdy ribbon. I don't know if you could see the glitter that's in there. It's so pretty. So I got that. I ended up getting papers. That was what I needed for the most part. I got so much paper. I got Nida Navy, a Whisper White thick cardstock, which I always get. I go through that like crazy. Nida Navy. I've got Gray Granite. Don't those all look so good together? And then these as well. A Melon Mambo, which also will look good. And then this is the 2019 through 2021 in color. So it's got multiple, it's got all 5 colors, including the purple posy. So, I know, crazy. Alright, so let's see the stamp sets that I ended up choosing. You know, I always like to go with the bundles when they're available. So we've got here Itty Bitty Greetings. It's two sets, or it's one set, but it's 2 cases. But look how cute those are. They're so teeny tiny. You could see, like with my finger, they're not big at all, but they're so cute, and it's got everything you need. Hey friend, sending prayers, fabulous at any age. We got graduation, anniversary, may God bless and keep you, have a lucky day. We even have trick or treat, forever and always. That'll be good for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Hanukkah, birthday, 'tis the season, Easter. Oh, look, you're engaged. World's best father. These are so cool. There's 32 stamps in there. So I grabbed that one. I'm surprised I never had it. But let's see. What else do we have in here? Oh, yes. And then this one is A Wish for Everything. I just decided that I wanted to have some more sayings. So it's always nice, you know, Stampin' Up! Does the sayings for, you know, in their stamp sets, but it's always nice to have sayings just on their own. Sorry about the glare there. So this one's called A Wish for Everything. This one has 38. And again, they are, we've got Wishing You A, and then there's Happy Valentine's Day. You could just, you know, remember when they had those little things, like maybe they still have them, where you write sentences on your refrigerator with the little magnets. May the luck of the Irish go double for you. There's a little ampersand. I love ampersands. There's a nice big happy there. There's a nice big wishes there. And then it's got just some sayings. And I think this is the one that made me get it. Like, first my mother, forever my friend. I just think that is so beautiful. So I thought this was a nice little set. Again, 38 in this one. So we've got 32 in this one, 38 in this one. I think between the two, I'm pretty much set for greetings. And then this is called Word Wishes. And this is a die. And now that I'm opening this, I'm like, oh, I hope this isn't a duplicate. If it is a duplicate, that's good for you guys. Because I always use my duplicates for my giveaways. Because sometimes I forget and I just order extra. But then I put it in my basket of goodies. So we've got these wishes here. Oh no, I don't have this one yet. And I don't even know what they say. This one says, that's Thanksgiving, St. Patrick's, Valentine's Day, Father, wait, that's Father's. Is there two fathers? These two look exactly the same. Huh, I'm going to have to check that out. That's a day and a day as well. This is really crazy. I'm going to have to run these through and see what they are. Because that looks like, oh, maybe that's Dad. And that's Day. I don't know. Crazy. So crazy. So, alright, we'll figure these out. I'm going to run these through and we'll see what all comes out there. And actually, I'll look in the catalog. So, alright. That is what I got today. I know that there's so much more, you guys. Oh my gosh. And talk about giveaways. One of my friends gave me a whole box of Stampin' Up! Stuff. Brand new. And I have a lot of it, so it will be going into my giveaway. So if you spend at least $50 with me, and you get a, or you get one of the Poppies stamp set, then you'll be able to join me on Friday. I believe it's the last Friday of the month, where we get together live online, see each other's faces, and are able to talk to each other in real time, face to face, on my online class. So if you do decide to buy anything, use this host code here, and we will get you the information on that online class. So, alright, beauties. I hope you liked everything here. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see everything I make with it. And I will talk to you later. Bye!